What's the meaning of carcinogenic? Carcinogenic. Carcinogenic.
Carcinogenic. Carcinogenic. Carcinogenic refers to a substance or agent that has the ability to promote or cause cancer. When exposed to a carcinogen, the DNA in a person's cells can become damaged, leading to the development of abnormal cells and potentially cancerous tumors. The effects of exposure to carcinogens may not be immediately apparent and can take years to manifest. It is important to limit exposure to known carcinogens by avoiding tobacco smoke, environmental pollutants, and other harmful substances. Identifying and removing carcinogens from products and workplaces can also reduce the risk of cancer.